Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well and staying safe. Today we're going to be having a look around a brand new show home for L&Q Homes at their Birnam Mews development in Stratford-upon-Avon. This is the Knighton show home. It's a 3-bedroom house and it's absolutely stunning. Let's take a look inside. When you enter, you are greeted by a lovely spacious hallway with access to all of the rooms throughout the house. And to your right, there is a good-sized downstairs cloakroom. Going into the living room, this space runs the length of the house, with views onto both the garden and to the front of the property. I really love how this room has been designed. It looks really modern and stylish. I particularly love the kind of soft salmon pink walls in contrast with the wooden floors. I just think it looks great. This room is perfect in size for a family. There's lots of space for an additional sofa. You could shuffle the layout around as well. And there's also room for any toy storage that you might need. I particularly love how there are double doors leading out onto the garden, giving you ease of access, but also allowing you to see what is happening outside. All L&Q homes come with a garden which is fully turfed and landscaped. They also provide your property with a shed. And that's one thing that I really like about L&Q homes is that there are no hidden costs for extras. Everything you see is included in the price. Coming out of the living room and across the hallway, you will find the large kitchen dining room. This room also has patio door access onto the garden, which I just think is such a nice touch. It makes the house so family friendly and also makes it the perfect home for entertaining guests. The horseshoe-shaped kitchen has a beautiful, modern and sleek design. You may also notice in this house there is a colour scheme which flows throughout it. This is thanks to the colour packages L&Q Homes provide. There are 2 options to choose from. You can either have ivory or grey, and the Knighton show home here has the ivory colour choice. There are no additional costs in this home, so the induction hob and the oven are both included in the price as well. And one of the features that I particularly really loved about this property was this hidden extractor fan. I honestly thought it was such a great idea because extractor fans are so hideous to look at, and this one just quietly tucks itself away. So clever. I also really loved that all of the drawers and doors in the kitchen were soft closing. You will also notice that the kitchen has lots of worktop space, which I for one know is so important to have. And all of the appliances are integrated, so washing machine, dishwasher and fridge. The integrated fridge freezer had lots and lots of storage space, and it also had this blue light inside which made your fruit and vegetables last longer. Coming back out into the hallway, you will notice that there is a large storage cupboard downstairs. This is something that L&Q pride themselves in. They have noticed that there is a need for storage in new builds, hence why you get lots of big open spaces to store your belongings that you don't want to be seen, and also the shed in the garden is another part of that feature. Coming up the stairs, you are greeted by 3 bedrooms, a family bathroom and an ensuite. Coming into the master bedroom, you will notice this room is a really good size. I also think it has been designed beautifully. I love the dark, deep tones of the burgundy and the navy blue. I also love the little side tables with the lamps on them. I think that's a really clever feature. In the corner there, you have got a dressing table, and you might be wondering where the wardrobe is. Well, in all of the L&Q master bedrooms, you will have an integrated wardrobe with lights. Leading off the master bedroom is a good-sized ensuite with a large shower. Again, all of the L&Q en-suites come with an overhead shower and a standard hand shower, and I just think it looks really smart. Moving away from the master bedroom, you will find the second bedroom across the landing, and this second bedroom took me by surprise. I honestly couldn't believe how well sized this room was. It would honestly make such a great room for a teenager or for a child or even two children. It's a fabulous room. Another thing I really liked about this room was how bold the interior designer was to choose yellow, but it works. Yellow and grey looks gorgeous in this room with the dark wood. I think it looks fabulous. Going into the third bedroom, you will notice that this room is much smaller, but again they have made really good use of space. You've got a single bed in here and also a dressing table slash desk, perhaps it could be. I just think this room has lots of potential and they have styled it really nicely. It would make a perfect office or perhaps a nursery. The last room in the house for us to visit is the family bathroom. This again has tiles from floor to ceiling. There is also a bath and a shower overhead. As I was saying to you about the cupboard downstairs, having storage in your property is something L&Q pride themselves on. So this little cupboard at the top of the stairs is super handy. We are now in the garden and you can see the back of the property with the two patio doors. You would have noticed most of the windows are at the front of the house, but look at the size of this garden. Again, L&Q pride themselves on giving a really good sized garden, which is fully landscaped, and it also comes with a shed. I really hope you enjoyed this show home tour of the Knighton at the Birnam Mews development in Stratford-upon-Avon. If you are looking for your next home, please do not hesitate to contact them.